In this video, I'll show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop on iPhone. First thing you need to do is download Google Chrome, then go to google.com/Chrome and install it on your PC. Now open Chrome and visit remotedesktop.google.com/access. Click the blue arrow in the Setup Remote Access box and download and install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm the installation. Now, enter a unique name for your computer, then click Next. Create a secure 6-digit PIN. This will be required each time you connect remotely. Just confirm the setup. Your computer is ready for remote connections from your iPhone or iPad. Now, go to the App Store on your iOS device, then search for and install Chrome Remote Desktop. Then open the app. Now, use the same Google account that you used on your PC. This allows the app to see the list of available devices. Tap your computer name that you set up earlier and enter the PIN you created when prompted. You can fully control your PC or Mac from your iPhone or iPad using this method. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.